When assets go down, the last thing you want to hear is, the part isn't available. We don't have the right people. We're over capacity. These problems occur when maintenance and service teams are disconnected from the systems, departments, and operations around them. Without a complete view of the asset lifecycle and connected systems, operations are impacted, risk increases, safety is compromised, and reputation is questioned. Introducing SAP Field Service and Asset Management, a unified mobile-first solution to manage processes end-to-end. Powered by AI and built to support autonomous workflows for maintenance and service professionals in their day-to-day work. Planners prepare work with capacity and resource insights. Schedulers assign with confidence using AI systems. Technicians arrive better prepared with AI-generated diagnostics and briefings. Workflows are automated across the enterprise. Costs drive business direction and strategy. Every action creates new insights, fueling AI, improving every decision, and closing the loop between operations, supply chain, and finance. Because when maintenance and service teams have the full picture, equipment reliability improves, workforces are optimized, and businesses can protect profit and operational continuity. Welcome to the era of autonomous asset and service operations.